All right. Okay, now I've got something interesting for y'all. You need to, the name of the game is Be Quick. So let me start with this. So there are these play cards over here. This is yours, Kevin, and this is MaryJo. So now it's gonna be, don't open it.
Okay.
Oh yeah. It's gonna be something interesting. No right and wrong answers. Tumka right and wrong answer judge kaun kar paana. Only thing you need to pop whatever is coming in your mind. Just say it. Just say it. Okay, don't think. I'm not giving any time to think. Okay. So who's gonna start first? There are 5 questions for each of you all. Whatever comes in your mind, just pop it up. Kevin?
Yeah.
You gonna start? Yeah. No, you cannot open. You cannot open. You keep yours. Let him finish his.
Oh, okay. I thought he's supposed to interview me.
No, so it's gonna be like that. He's gonna. I'm giving you a chance now. See, you are taking my place. Okay, so okay. So just go through the questions. Just go through it. You're well versed with it. Done. Stay ready. Take it in a nice tone, huh? So you have to put nice feelings and all.
Okay, so first question, okay, to you, MaryJo.
Yes, go ahead.
तुका तुझ्या जोन दिसाक for birthday कितें जाय?
Go faster.
Maka kite zai. I just want one more year to live. That's it.
Okay.
Who is your sexiest friend?
Go fast.
I have a lot of sexy friends.
Okay. What's the worst thing you would put in a coffee?
Honey.
Okay. तुका पहिले propose कोणे केले?
I think in 8th grade. Yes, 8th grade.
Okay, so this question. Fart. How many times should I say that?
What is that word?
Fart. How many times should I say that?
Fart.
Yeah.
That? No.
Yeah, how many times should I say that? That's a question.
How could that be a question? Fart. Like that.
All right. Well played. Done, no? It's done. Okay. Over to MaryJo now. Come on.
Okay.
See that you don't take time, huh? You need to be very spontaneous. Start.
Okay, Kevin. Who was that girl?
Who? Which girl?
Who was that girl?
Who?
That is the question.
There's a question? My mom.
Who is she?
My mom.
Ooh, okay. Good answer. Okay. What is your band's name?
Band's name. Okay, I just have one name. She's a dramatic troupe, my dad. Okay.
Okay. Why should I believe you?
Because whatever I say, I do.
Ooh, yes. Agree. Okay. What's the other name for shucks?
Shit.
Okay. तुझे तोंड बंद कर. Complete the sentence. तुझे तोंड बंद कर. Dash. Complete now.
तोंड बंद कर आणि उगी राव.
All right. Well played, yeah.